response has been fabulous. Getting very positive feedback from all the fans.
So at the same day I came from Jaipur only, तो मैं वहाँ से कुछ लेकर आया था, कचौरी समोसे वगैरह यहाँ के जो फेमस है.
Kachori. I would love to see Manish in Big Boss. Seeing such news every day and watching such heartbreaking videos every day. So it's a bit scary for me.
So yeah, it's been a hard time. Like you are consoling everybody around you, and you're like, it's okay, everything will be fine, everything will be fine.
Hi Sabah, hi Manish, welcome to Eastern Eye.
Hi, how are you?
Hey man.
Thank you so much, Murtaza.
Good, how are you guys?
Yeah, quite good.
I'm so glad.
So let me start by asking you this: how has been the response to Yamla? What are your fans saying on social media? How has been the whole response for you guys?
It's been amazing. I mean, everybody was waiting since very long time. Like when the photos were out, everybody was waiting. So it's quite nice. One day we crossed 1.6 million. So yeah, everybody's happy and everybody's liking it. Yeah, that's pretty much how to say it.
What about you, Sabah? I think if I'm not wrong, this is your first music video.
Yes, this is my first music video, and the response has been fabulous. Getting very positive feedback from all the fans, friends, and everybody is liking this song. The whole direction, the whole music. So it's a very good response from everybody we're getting.
Right. So of course, this song is a Punjabi track, and I think if I'm not wrong, you guys are both from Rajasthan. So how difficult was it to get into the whole Punjabi atmosphere or a character? How difficult was it? And I think especially Sabah, you have a lot of lip syncing. So how difficult was that?
Yes. Actually, what happened is a story behind this. The producer Suresh sir, he actually offered me a couple of songs. So I chose this, and he said, "Will you be able to understand it, and will you be able to sing it?" I was like, "Yeah, why not?" I tried, and it was a bit difficult initially, but I had little dance practice, and a couple of days of practice, and song is so beautiful, no? So it was not that difficult for me. So, but yes, I really love the track, the whole Punjabi theme, music. So that is why it was not that difficult.
For me, I love
What about you, Manish? How was it for you?
Actually, I'm quite familiar with this, all this Punjabi thing. My family, half of my family is Punjabi, so yeah, I know pretty much every tone and everything. So it wasn't that hard, but the vibe of the song and the location where we were shooting. So the entire environment was so great that हमें ज़्यादा वक्त नहीं लगा ढलने में. So yeah, very easy for me. It didn't take that much effort.
And how was this whole experience of teaming up with each other? Did you guys know before, or you just met on the sets? And who broke the ice first? How was it that way?
Yeah, I actually knew that he was from Jaipur, but we never met. So first time I met, and then it was really comfortable. He's a very nice person to work with. He's senior to me, and he was really Manish बहुत मेरे को help किया है. He suggestion देना ये कर सकते हो. I used to ask him कि what ठीक किया मैंने. So he used to give me that feedback. So he बहुत मजा आया मनीष के साथ काम करने में. It was fun working with him.
Yeah, so we met for the first time in the office where Suresh introduced us like हम दोनों जयपुर से हैं. So at the same day I came from Jaipur only, तो मैं वहाँ से कुछ लेकर आया था, कचौरी समोसे वगैरह यहाँ के जो फेमस हैं.
कचौरी.
Yeah. So वहाँ हमारा first interaction हुआ. I was like कि आप जयपुर से हो, आप खा के देखो, जयपुर की याद आती है. So that's how we started, and of course पूरी टीम बहुत खूबसूरत थी. बाकी सब भी बहुत अच्छे थे. सबके साथ काम करने में बहुत मजा आया. We had lots of fun. Like पूरा चंडीगढ़ घूमना, माहौली घूमना, सुबह जल्दी उठ के चाय पीना गुड़ वाली. Everyone was like, हम सब बहुत fun loving था. Everything was great. So yeah, lovely experience.
Right. So Sabha, if we talk about you, of course, you were someone who were unknown. Then you came into Big Boss, become this, I think household name. Now, of course, you have been a part of this music video. How would you see this journey of yours?
It's been fabulous. I never imagined that I would be in this industry. Because the family where I am from, the culture which I belong to, nobody from my family was in this industry. So I took a break from my work. I used to go to job. I used to go to office. So I took a break from that office and I decided to participate. And you know, I was not sure whether I'll be selected or not, but we were so lucky we got selected. And from since then, things have changed so much. I always used to like dancing. I always used to like acting, but never realized it that I would love doing this. So whenever I'm set, so I could feel कि हाँ मुझे बहुत मजा आता है इस काम में. This is, I think, होता है ना destiny में, you never know. आप जब काम करते हो तब realize करते हो कि you meant for this. So I think I really enjoy the whole acting, dancing, interacting with people. So it's so fun. Yeah.
Right. And if we see last year, the last season of Big Boss, they called a few old contestants. So if they call again, you, why don't you come in the next season?
It's not
like to be a part of it.
Yeah, I think that time in when I was doing BB12, I was really I really wanted to do that. But now I feel that it's not an easy job to do. To be in that house, बहुत negativity होती है. All the time you're thinking what other people is thinking about you, what would be your next move. So it's not an easy thing to do because आपका दिमाग खराब हो जाता है. So I think right now I'm not ready for to experience that again. हाँ, मैं कुछ life में कुछ और करना चाहती हूँ. To do good movies, good TV serials, good album songs. So I think I'll think about it अगर कुछ वापस से आया. Yeah.
Right. Manish, I would like to know if Big Boss is offered to you, would you like to do it? Now you have Sabha also to give you some tips when you go inside the house.
I would love to see Manish in Big Boss.
No. As you know me, I'm not the kind of guy who will enjoy Big Boss. So yeah, I was offered after Thabki. I got an offer to be a part. Like कुछ होती है, controversies होती हैं, तो आपको सबसे पहले call आता है. Being on Colors channel, so yeah, I had that call. But मैं नहीं गया था. So yeah, I'm not so, like
you should try
fan of Big
Boss. We
want
to see you in Big Boss.
You know me, मैं नहीं रुक टिक पाऊंगा वहाँ.
So Manish, I'm sure your fans have been waiting to see you back on the small screen. I think it's been a gap of around a year now. Pepana Pyar was the last show that you were a part of. So when are we going to see you back again? Is there something in the pipeline right now?
Yeah, they would have seen me already, but this pandemic, sorry guys, I can't help it. I mean, everything is getting postponed. So yeah, even I'm waiting for that. Like once the producer said yes, but this pandemic happened again. Sari shoot Bombay mein band ho gayi, so yeah, we are still like on hold. So most probably very soon.
Right. So lastly, before I wrap up, I want to know how has been this whole lockdown. The second wave of COVID-19 has not been that great in the country. So how has been this whole lockdown with you guys?
It's a bit scary for me, seeing such news every day and watching such, heartbreaking videos every day. So it's a bit scary for me. But yes, we have to be positive and we have to pray that this, will be okay after a point. And, we have to make sure that we help each other and, be positive about the whole thing.
For me, it's been a hard one. I mean, last year I was in Jaipur. Again, I'm in Jaipur. But the thing is that this time, that so very close people around me, like my relatives, my friend's dad, my friend's father-in-law, so many people we lost. So yeah, it's a bit terrifying this time. Like very close people, like very close to me. People are going, we are losing them. So yeah, it's been a hard time. Like you are consoling everybody around you and you're like, it's okay, everything will be fine. So yeah, this is how it's going with me right now.